Hi, hope you're all doing good. So we're launching a new batch towards NEET MDS 2021 Neo9 batch. So we'll be allotting 10 days for each subject and we'll be having approximately 9 to 10 months before we complete our regular schedule as well as revision schedule. So you can just drop a mail for course detail, and for any further queries or inquiries you can always get back through mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. And please remember, guidance is about truly empowering you, not by creating false hopes or by promising you with false or fake results, but rather truly empowering you. If you're enjoying what you're doing, if you're finding the resources being provided useful, and if the environment is as such fun to learn, then I'm definitely sure that you're going to crack entrance, not by chance, but by choice. The reason why I've been telling you this is because we are under a false kind of assumption that some ready-made material is going to save us at the end of the day, but nothing can be further from truth. Take my word. So believe in yourself, work hard, work consistently, and do not believe in any false claims assuring you some kind of ranks or something. Guidance, as I mentioned, is all about truly empowering you, making the process much more fun and enjoyable, and most importantly, making you realize your potential rather than just providing you some ready-made notes, isn't it? So you want true empowerment or you want some fake pseudo promises? So that's up to you to decide. Wish you all the best. Love you all.